Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making vegetable soup in the Ninja Foodi. Alright guys, I'm starting out on my Ninja Foodi. I have it set on saute high setting, and I have a pound of ground beef here. I'm going to get this in here and get it all broke up and browned up. Alright guys, now that my ground beef's all browned up, and I drained off the excess grease because that wasn't lean ground beef, I'm going to add in 4 cups of water. I'm going to add in a 14.5 ounce can of beef broth. I'm going to add in 15 ounces of tomato sauce. This is a 29 ounce can, so I'm going to add about half of it in. There, we're looking good. I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of cooking wine, and I'm just going to eyeball this, guys. White cooking wine, that is. Rather, that's a 1/2 cup, I'm sorry. I'm going to add in my spices now. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of granulated garlic, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of salt, and this part's optional, guys. I'm going to add in 8 ounces of elbow macaroni, and I'm just going to eyeball this 16 ounce box, so we're going to get to about half of it. You want to make sure you don't get too much in because you want this to be soup and not pasta will drink up all that soup. I'm going to add in a 12 ounce bag of frozen corn. I have 3 russet potatoes that I peeled and I sliced up. They're going in, and they're average sized potatoes. They're not huge. Then I have 1 tomato I sliced, 1 onion I diced up, 2 stalks of celery I diced, and 1 huge carrot or 2 medium carrots you want to slice up and put in there. We're getting all that in there. I'm going to give that a stir to get everything all mixed together. I'm going to put my pressure cooker lid on here, make sure I'm seated. I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 5 minutes. After my 5 minutes up, we'll do a quick release of the pressure. Alright guys, this is done. Lastly, I'm going to add a little bit of parsley, about a teaspoon. Now the reason I'm adding this in at the end is because if you put it in while it's pressure cooking, most of this is going to pressure up to the top of your lid, and you're not going to have it in your soup anyways. Alright guys, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a bowl and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. And this is loaded with goodies. See, potatoes are tender, but not mush. Hot. Try a little bit of something else here too. It's really good. The elbow macaroni's tender. Try some of that broth. That's really good, guys, and that wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Vegetable soup in the Ninja Foodi. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.